Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 6th Subject Biology.
To all students, the previous class we studied food, where does it comes from. Okay, in the previous lesson you already studied ingredients, then autotrophs, heterotrophs, food materials and sources, plant parts and animal product as food. Then what do animals eat? Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Today class we studied here chapter 2 components of food. இவ்வளவு நாள் ஃபுட்டு எங்கேருந்து வந்தது, அது என்னென்ன சோர்ஸஸ்ஸு அப்படின்றத, ஒரு ஃபுட்டை மேடப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்னென்ன இன்க்ரீடியன்ட்ஸ் தேவைன்றதை பார்த்தோம். இப்போ அந்த ஃபுட்டில் என்னென்ன காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்றத பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேயா? த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், செஷன் பிளான். ஓகே, what do different food items contain? Second one, what do various nutrients do for our body? Third one, balanced diet. And fourth one, deficiency disease. Okay, yeah? Okay. In this class, food is essential for the survival of living organism. Food is essential for our survival of a living organism. It provides us energy to carry out daily activities and develop growth and repair our body parts and in case any damage of our body. Okay, therefore understanding the importance of consuming the right kind of food becomes a necessity. Okay, further, most of the food items available today are adulterated in many possible ways. The food that we consume comes from numerable sources and the variety is huge. You can think of a last meal you had and list down sources from which your food was obtained. Okay, this helps us understand how food varies in its sources and component. Then, what do different food items contains? Each dishes we eat is prepared using more than one ingredients containing different nutrients along with dietary fiber and water. Some nutrients are our food are fat, mineral, vitamins, protein and also carbohydrate. The energy component of food included carbohydrate, sugars and starches, protein, lipid or fats. Okay, yeah? The energy component of food வந்து carbohydrate, protein, fat. The fat is also called lipids. Carbohydrate நிறைய ஃபார்ம்ஸில் இருக்குது. சுகர்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஸ்டார்ச்ன்ற நேம்லாம் இருக்குது. ஓகேயா? Then the non-energy component included vitamin, mineral, dietary fiber and also water. Okay, dietary fiber and also water. These are the non-energy component. Okay, yeah? Appo, what is the nutrients? Nutrients are essential component. Nutrients are essential component required by our body for its proper functioning, growth and protection against disease. Okay, yeah. What is nutrients? Nutrients are essential component required by our body for its proper functioning, growth and protection against disease. Okay, yeah. Food items are made with ingredients. These ingredients contain nutrients or components that are necessary for the healthy growth and proper functioning of the body. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals are the main nutrients or components present in food items. Okay, Water and dietary fiber also important components of food. Okay, then we goes to a activity. You take your book, take a page number 8, table 2.1, some common meals of different regions or states. The first one, Punjab, makki, corn, roti. Items of dal or meat, rajma, vegetables, sarson sag, mustard leaf curry and others curd ghee. Then Andhra Pradesh, rice, doodh dal and rasam. Then vegetables and others. Okay, all are right like this. Table 2.2. Okay, you refer the state-wise food items in these pictures. Okay, you refer these pictures and write the state-wise food items. Okay, then we goes to a starch. In each session we take starch test. We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients, that plants or other animals. Okay, some ingredients contain some components needed by our bodies. These are called nutrients. Okay, so all food contain all these nutrients? Nothing. Some food have a rich carbohydrates, some food have a rich proteins, some food have a rich fat items, some food have a minerals and vitamins also. Okay, now today we see that rich in test food for starch, protein, fat and sugar. Okay, test food for starch, protein, fat and sugar. Okay, before we start our experiment to test the presence of starch in food, let us first understand what starch is. Starch is a complex carbohydrate present in the food we eat. Starch is a complex carbohydrate present in the food we eat. Okay, starch is a odorless, tasteless and white in color. In the smell irukadu, taste irukadu, white color la irukum. Okay, what are the major sources of starch? The major sources of starch is rice, corn, wheat and potatoes. அதிகமாக ஸ்டார்ச் அதிகமாக காணப்படக்கூடிய உணவு இது வந்து rice, corn, wheat and potatoes. Let us start our experiment to test the presence of starch in food. First you take a small quantity of rice in a petri dish or a small bowl. Okay, first you take a small quantity of rice in a petri dish or a small bowl. Okay, make a fine paste of the rice using water. We use here some, you add some water and paste the rice. Okay, put the paste in a test tube. You take a test tube and put into the test tube. Add a few drops of iodine solution with the help of a dropper. We use a dropper and a few drops of iodine solution we add. Okay, what do you observe? You do that, you see that the sample turns blue black, which confirms the presence of starch in rice. Okay, and the rice test tube la போட்டிருந்த rice with water ஓட iodine solution a few drops நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அது என்ன கலராக சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கணும்? ப்ளூ பிளாக்காக மாறி இருக்கணும். அப்படி ப்ளூ பிளாக்காக மாறி இருந்ததுன்னா நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கிற அந்த ஃபுட் ஐட்டத்தில் என்னது அதிகமாக இருக்குது? கார்போஹைட்ரேட் அதிகமாக இருக்குதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, Amma. Starch is a odorless